This is a 100-gram rechargeable silica gel desiccant pack from FUNOUO. Now, the company did send this sample over for the creation of this video, so let's take a closer look at it. All right, now taking a closer look at these desiccant packs, which do come in both a 5-pack and a 10-pack, which is really handy because you can place these all over your house. You can use them in things like safes, jewelry safes, in your clothing, packed in any of your luggage when you're traveling, just to keep excess moisture from getting into your items. Now, I personally use these with my 3D printing filament. I keep them in containers in there. That way I know that any humidity that might be in the filament or the container itself is going to be removed and stored in these packets. And the really nice thing about these is that they are rechargeable. So you see this blue dot here. When this becomes saturated with moisture, the little beads inside there, this dot will actually become pink, and that'll let you know that it's safe to remove from the area. Place it in the microwave for a few minutes, and that pink circle will turn blue again. Now, some of those basic instructions are on the back side of this packet, right? We want to make sure that when we microwave it, it's this side down. Caution, it's going to be hot. You want to put it in there for about 3 minutes at setting 8. Now, setting 8 is going to be different for everybody's microwave, so just kind of play it by ear. Maybe tone down the time just a little bit and on a lower setting, and keep track of this blue dot here. Make sure that when it goes from pink to blue, you remove it from the microwave. All right, now it's hard to see the pink color on the left side here on this pack, but you can definitely tell the difference between the left and the right. The left being fully hydrated while the one on the right is fully dry. You can definitely see that the one on the right has the bright blue dot, while the one on the left has a pinkish white color to it. Now, this one is ready and available to throw into the microwave, and then that dot will turn blue just like the one on the right, and it will be ready to use again. Now, I think these are a great option for a rechargeable desiccant pack. That way you can reuse them, don't have to throw these out when you're done with them. They are 100 grams and they come in a 5 or a 10 pack. And I think it's great, that you can just recharge these with a simple toss in the microwave. Now, if you're looking for a really convenient way to remove humidity from a small enclosure, definitely take a look at these rechargeable desiccant packs. I really like the way that the indicator changes color once you know that it is full of moisture, and then you simply pop it in the microwave to remove the humidity within the pack. I definitely recommend checking these out. Now, as always, I've got a link to these desiccant packs in the description below if you want to take a closer look at them.